He like it social in the cut, yeah. He like it thick, he like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more.
Hey guys, it's Jaylynn Simone. Welcome back for another video. So today I am going to be doing another hair video. My hair has been freshly washed. I blew dry it. I meant blown out my hair. I don't know what was happening that day, but I needed to cut my ends because they were just straggly and horrible. But so yeah, I'm going to be doing that on a stretch state, and I will be doing a flat twist out. And I will be using my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. So this one right here. So if you want to see the results and how my hair looks, hopefully come out cute, keep on watching.
That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going to another slave. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I break me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a better spell a name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and drown, try to run it away. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
later, and I spent a little bit of time on the dryer to just make sure this is really, really dry. I really hope that it comes out correctly. I'm gonna be so upset because I'm about to leave. So let me, should I get like some oil before I do this? Just a little bit of some olive oil and another type of oil. I forgot what it is, but I'm gonna just do a couple of drops. Go through. Let me start off with the back since that's like the oldest. Let's see how this is looking.
Baby, the cars on decline. You roll with me and we shine. Baby, we shine. Little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house. Baby, you can get like any ring. Anything. Then I can knock it down. All through the night, all through the day, yeah. I knock that pussy out. Baby, you call me sugar.
It's looking a little stiff, but it's looking curly.
Do it! No limit, baby. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
Not the belly band, take a member, Balenciaga, party back and all these fuck. It's big bags, bustin' out the belly band, take a man, working back, party back and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, 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 what? Up, 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 stop, up, 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 up.
Damn, it's giving pretty on top and it's still wet. Oh no. Ah. It's always the top of my head. I don't have time.
Up, 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 what? Up, 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 stop, up, 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 boy's pussy. Up, 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 what? Up, 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 stop, up, 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 what? Up, boy's pussy.
Rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss.
Damn, see, that's really crazy. Look how pretty the curls are, and then there's this up here. Okay. That sucks. That sucks. Oh my god. Hey you guys, so I am back, and this is the final result. Let me give a 360 on how it's looking. It don't look that bad, honestly. I do think tonight I am gonna put some twists in the front because like the sides are defined and then the top is like not giving. So yeah, but I think honestly it looks actually really pretty good. Can't front. So I'm actually kind of satisfied with the results. The top was not fully dry when I took them out, even though it was like 3 hours or so. And I was in the blow dryer. How? But regardless, Prince, back up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Bye.